Friend's wedding was scheduled at Rajasthan, and I was anyway planning Rajasthan for proposal. So this was a golden opportunity for me, and absolutely no one had any clue. Our families, our friends, they all must be thinking that we are at our friend's wedding. And the friend actually, when she will get to know that we skipped her few functions and we were here at Udaipur and planning our proposal, she would be super mad at both of us. But it's okay. I think she would understand it.
Things are right, and you just know there is something in your eyes that brings me home. 'Cause when there's love, you don't let go. So as long as you're with me, you're not alone, you'll never be. I wanna tell you what I